Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video we're going to be doing a 90s makeup look tutorial and I love it. So of course my foundation might not look like 90s, though I saw a couple of photos looking the same and alike, but definitely we're going to be recreating today this beautiful eyes and this beautiful lip combination. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned. Let's get started. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing this outfit, 90s sorta outfit inspired outfit. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm gonna get started with priming my lid. I checked out so many different photos from 90s and different celebrities from 90s, and I'll tell you it's quite simple, lacking a little bit of eyeshadows, lots of shimmers, lots of blue and sort of purple shimmers, a little bit of liner from time to time, and soft sort of brown waterline. For lips, it is super important to keep it bright, sort of vampy style. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then I'll go to James Charles eyeshadow palette because it has colors that I really need today. I'm gonna be going to a little bit of this warm, kind of like brownish shade. At first, I'm gonna tap it off with a crease brush and then set the lid. I don't really want to bring this to my brow bone, so let me blend this out. So I'm going back and forth. We're not focusing on shape because it's like 90s. It has to be super blended and a little bit messy at the same time. In the inner corner, I'll go over with a little bit different color. I guess it's iconic to have something blue, but I want to mix this in with this purple. I'm gonna wet my brush with any leftovers of liquid in my beauty blender. And I'm gonna go with flat brush, tap off any fallout, bring this all over my lid. And I brought this shimmers up to my brow bone because it was iconic for 90s to have shimmers over brow bone, and I guess that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go over with my brow pencil over my waterline, and now I want to do a little bit of different color. This is warm brown. Use the same brush and just pat a couple of times to set my pencil, and then a little bit of my black pencil over my top lash line. But I want to specify this, I'm not going to do anything crazy and thick as in my previous videos. I want to focus this super close to my lash line, and basically I want to do this in the outer corner. I'll blend this out. I really want to focus on a little bit of black to set my pencil. I'm going back with the same brush that I used to warm up my lid with some leftovers from my brown on top of the black color. And on top of it, I'll go over with a little bit of leftovers from my shimmers. Something like that. Okay, I'm gonna do pretty much similar thing for my left eye. And then today I'm filming my part two, not part two, but like second day of trying out mascaras, waterproof mascara or essence mascara. If you're interested, you can check out this video. But as for now, I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna use mascaras to coat my lashes, and then I'll be back to show you my lip combination. We're gonna be using today both of my lipsticks. The first one is super bougie. If you don't have it, go ahead and skip or find something similar. This is Estee Lauder, and believe it or not, this is the color that I believe was super popular in 90s, and I watched The Faculty and Film Faculty. Rewatched this a couple of, let's say, weeks ago, and the journalist, this girl, she was talking about like, don't kiss me, I have Estee Lauder. I believe this was the color in 90s, and Faculty was, I guess, yeah, 90s. I'm gonna use it for my lips. Can you find a shade more 90s than that? And then I'll outline my lips. And last but not least, we're going with Makeup Revolution Pure Vamp. This is super old collection. It's red, sort of rustic red shade. And then I'll go with this color on top of my brow, and I really love this combination. I'm gonna start with my jeans. By the way, these are mom's jeans, and I need a belt. But before my belt, I'm gonna go with this really cute top. I'll put on a pair of socks, white sneakers. And of course, I need some choker. I mean, come on, it's 90s. By the way, I tucked in the rest of my shirt. I have one from 90s in particular. These are my mom's. I'll go in with some classics. These are just my rings. Oh, I have this really cute earrings. Calvin Klein into her fragrance. By the way, I feel like it's too preppy, so let me get this up and I'll do my watch. Backpack, casual, let's say 90s style. Okay guys, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, 90s tutorial. I love this outfit and I love this makeup look. Can't say I'm gonna be wearing this every single day. I guess makeup looks much better in 2024, but as a result of just like something that was super soft and pretty for 90s, this is a great option. Probably wear it sometime. Okay guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'm gonna see you in my next video hopefully. Bye bye.